Modern procurement teams face increasing pressure to control spend, reduce delays, and improve visibility across purchasing activities. That's where Precoro comes in, a cloud-based procurement and spend management software that helps businesses automate purchase orders, approvals, and budget tracking, all from one unified platform. Used by procurement and finance teams in over 80 countries, Precaro streamlines the entire procurement process, from request to receipt. It's especially well suited for small to mid-sized organizations looking to modernize their operations without the complexity of traditional ERP systems. In this video, we'll walk you through Precoro's core features, show how it supports smarter procurement decisions, and explain why it's a standout tool for growing teams. For its key features and benefits, first is the purchase, requisitions, and order automation. Precaro allows users to create purchase requests quickly, route them through customizable approval workflows, and automatically generate purchase orders once approved. Templates and product catalogs simplify the entry process, and users can attach files, set delivery dates, and choose from preferred suppliers. This reduces manual entry errors and ensures a consistent, efficient process from request to order, saving time and increasing procurement accuracy. Another key feature is the approval workflows with full customization. Precoro supports multi-level approval workflows based on budgets, departments, or roles. You can route approvals by amount thresholds or project tags and track where requests stand in real time. Notifications and reminders ensure that nothing gets held up unnecessarily. This streamlines internal communication and governance, allowing procurement and finance teams to maintain full control while avoiding bottlenecks. Another key feature is the budget tracking and real-time spend visibility. Precoro enables teams to set up and manage departmental or project-based budgets. As users create orders and approve expenses, real-time data updates budget balances automatically. Budget overruns trigger alerts, and finance teams can drill down into each transactions. This improves financial discipline by giving clear insight into actual versus planned spending, helping teams stay within budget and plan proactively. Another key feature is the supplier management and catalog integration. Procurement teams can store supplier data, view supplier specific terms, and assign default suppliers to specific items. Precoro also allows you to import supplier catalogs so users can select items directly from approved product lists with current prices. This improves supplier relationships, encourages compliance with preferred vendors, and makes it easier for employees to buy the right items at the right price. Another key feature is the reports, audits, and integrations. Precoro offers out-of-the-box reports on spending trends, PO statuses, supplier performance, and approval times. You can export data or integrate Precoro with accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite for seamless financial reconciliation. This supports smarter purchasing strategies and audit readiness with clear, customizable insights into your procurement data. So, why is Precoro a great choice? Precoro stands out because it brings enterprise-grade procurement tools to mid-market and scaling companies without the cost or complexity. Its clean interface and logical workflows make onboarding quick, even for non-technical users. Procurement teams can go from email-based purchasing to fully tracked, automated workflows within days. In 2025, Precoro continues to improve its platform with mobile features, expanded integrations, and enhanced analytics. It's designed to grow with your team, offering flexibility for project-based work, department-specific budgets, or global supplier networks. What truly sets Precoro apart is its user-focused design. You don't need a full IT team to deploy or maintain it, and its modular setup means you can start simple and expand functionality as your operations grow. So basically, managing procurement doesn't have to mean chasing email threads or working off outdated spreadsheets. With Precoro, procurement teams gain full control over spending, faster approvals, and a centralized view of all purchasing activity, all while staying compliant and on budget. Whether you're managing requests across departments or scaling global purchasing operations, Precoro helps you do it faster, with fewer errors and greater transparency. In 2025 and beyond, it remains one of the most efficient and accessible procurement platforms available. So start simplifying your procurement process with Precoro and empower your team to purchase smarter, not harder. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.